Hello, I'm Charmaine Singleton, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this very cute bracelet in just 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how to make it right from the beginning. This is a very beautiful and simple beginner friendly tutorial, and I want you to stay with me till the very end. So let's get started with this project, the 5 minutes bracelet. This is the first step that I have used, is to treadle the beads in the yarn and keep it ready. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Please watch it till the very end. It's a simple, beginner friendly tutorial and it needs no explanation. Hey, so that's all in this pattern. This pattern just keeps repeating itself. And I guess you all have understood how this very cute and beautiful bracelet is made within 5 minutes. You can learn this pattern and make it in different colors, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. In case you have found this tutorial interesting, consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Just pull the yarn and fasten it as tight as you can, and just cut off the excess yarn. And now I want you to just have a closer look at this beautiful bracelet. Just cut off the excess yarn and we will add a hook and a ring in order to complete our project. You have to remember never to cut the yarn too short. Always keep a little yarn tail and treadle it or hide it in between your work so that it does not open up. Now, since we are coming to the end of this tutorial, I want to take the opportunity to thank all my dear subscribers for supporting me so far. And for the ones who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and support. Thank you so much. Now this very beautiful bracelet is ready. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please come back for more tutorials like this. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thanks for watching.